We've been doing business in Florida for 52 years. So we've been building manufactured homes in the state of Florida for 52 years. So that gives us an advantage over our competitors because we've been building houses to the Florida code for so long. A lot of the folks out in the factory have been with us 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Even we've got a couple that's been with the company over 50 years. So when you have longevity, really building anything, at some point you're going to be pretty good at it. Prestige is owned by Nobility. Because of that, you can see everything there is to see about us because we're a public held company. Prestige is also part of a company that's what they call vertically integrated. And what that means is we build the homes, we finance the homes, we insure the homes, and we sell the homes. Being vertically integrated, the fact that we're the builder, our prices are wholesale. You're eliminating the middleman is probably the easiest way to understand what we do.
They could do it all. They're like, oh, the house? Yeah. Oh, you want to take the land and you paid it off and use that as a down payment? Oh, we can do that too. Oh, the electricians and everybody to set up the home and your site and do everything? They're like, look, just sign on the dotted line and we'll just do everything. Just give you the key and you're done. And I was like, huh? I was like, okay, I'm sold.
All of our prices are posted on our website. That website is prestigehomecenters.com. You can go down and see 150 different floor plans and you can see the price of those floor plans. That price includes the setup, the air conditioner, the skirting, the steps, all your what we call your cost to sell items, which are basically everything that's going to be required by the state and the county. We always start with the same number. Wherever you're at geographically, we're going to add that freight cost. And then whatever upgrade options the customer decides to go with, we will add those, which happens to be fixed cost as well. Before a customer comes to one of our model centers, they should have a pretty good idea of which model they're interested in and the expense of that particular model.
I didn't realize that Mary not only was the salesperson, she's also the project manager. Now, I've heard horror stories from some of my friends like in North Carolina that have a manufactured home built about the same time where people didn't show up. They were waiting for the subcontractors day after day, which makes the whole process longer. And everything that Mary said would happen, she coordinated and she made it happen on the schedule that it was supposed to. So I was really impressed with that.
In actuality, you have a stick-built house, true, and you have a manufactured house. But the difference is, you know that the one in the manufactured plant, you don't have to worry about the elements, you don't have to worry about rain, you don't have to worry about your wood getting warped. It's all in a controlled environment. You know it's going to be professional, and actually they're really built tighter than a regular house because a lot of things are in jigs and everything, and when they put them together, you got a perfect fit.